Hello students. In my previous video, I have solved first 10 questions of exercise 6.1 of the unit linear inequalities. Now let us solve the next question. Question number 11. 3 into x minus 2 whole divided by 5 is less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x whole divided by 3. We have to solve this inequality for real x. Real x means the solution set will be written in the form of interval. Let us solve this example. First, I will write the question. I will write the question here. Question number 11. Three into x minus 2 whole divided by 5 is less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x whole divided by 3. Solution. First, I will write the question. Next, to solve this, we have to cross multiply. Both sides we have a positive number in the denominator. Therefore, you can cross multiply 3 into taking 3 as a multiple in the LHS. 3 into x minus 2. 5 to the right hand side. 5 into 5 into 2 minus x. 3 into 3 is 9. 5 into 5 is 25. Multiply. 9 into x is 9x. 9 into minus 2 is minus 18. Multiply 25 to both of the terms. 25 into 2 is 50. 25 into minus x is minus 25x. We have two x terms. 25 is greater than 9. Minus 25 ಇದ್ದು LHS ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ plus 25 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So I will take minus 25 to the left hand side and minus 18 to the right hand side. Now 25x plus 9x, like terms. Their sum is 34x. 50 plus 80 is 68. Then x is taking 34 to the right hand side. X is less than or equal to 68 divided by 34. 34 ones are 34 twos are. X is less than or equal to 2. The solution set is all the real numbers which are less than 2 means it starts from 2. Greatest is 2. Not start. The greatest is 2. Less than 2. All other values less than 2 means it starts from minus infinity. From minus infinity to 2, 2 is included. Equality is there. Closed bracket towards 2. Now the 12th question is 1 by 2 into 3x by 5 plus 4 is greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. 12th question. One by 2 into 3x by 5 plus 4 is greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Let us solve this. First, I will write the question. 1 by 2 into 3x by 5 plus 4 is greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Here, you can first multiply 1 by 2 to both of the terms and 1 by 3 to both of the terms, or you can cross multiply. I will take 3 to the LHS and 2 to the RHS. 3 LHS ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ 3 into 3x by 5 plus 4 2 RHS ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ 2 into x minus 2, x minus 6. Next, in the LHS we can take LCM. LCM is 5. Numerator will be 3x plus multiply 5 to the second term. 4 into 5 is 20. In the RHS, 2 as it is, x minus 6. 3 into 3x plus 20 as it is. I will take this denominator 5 to the RHS. Denominator 5 RHS ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ multiply ಆಯಿತು. 5 into 2 into x minus 6. 5 is positive, so inequality sign remains same. 3 into 3x is 9x. Multiply 3 to both of these terms. 3 into 20 is 60. 5 into 2 is 10, x minus 6. 9x plus 60 is greater than or equal to 10x minus 10 into 6, 60. Collect the like terms one side. I will take 9x to the right hand side and minus 60 to the left hand side. Plus 60 is greater than or equal to 10x minus 9x. 60 plus 60 is 120 is greater than or equal to x. 120 is greater than or equal to x is nothing but x is less than or equal to 120. The solution set is all the real numbers less than or equal to 120 means 120 itself is the greatest value, and all the values less than 120 starts from minus infinity. 120 is included, equality is there, square bracket towards 120. This is the solution for 12th question. Next, 13th question is 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 into x minus 2. Question number 13. 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than 6 into x minus 2. Solution. First I will write the question. Now multiply 2 to both of the terms. 2 into 2x is 4x. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 10 as it is. Multiply 6 to both of the terms. 6 into x is 6x. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. 4x as it is. 6 minus 10 is minus 4. 6x minus 12. 6 is greater than 4. I will take 4x to the right hand side and 12 to the left hand side. Minus 12 to the left hand side. Minus 12 will become plus 12 and plus 4x will become minus 4x. 12 minus 4 is 8. 6x minus 4x is 2x. 8 less than 2x is nothing but 2x is greater than 8. Both are equal. Then x is greater than, take 2 to the right hand side, we get 8 upon 2. X is greater than 8 by 2 is 4. Therefore, the solution set is greater than 4 means all the numbers which are more than greater than 4. 4 itself is the least value. Least value is written first. And all other values greater than 4 means it continues up to infinity. 4 is not included. Equality is not there. Therefore, open bracket towards 4. This is the solution for the question number 13. Next example. question number 14. Observe here, this question number 14 is similar to this 13. So try to solve this question number 14. Here multiply minus sign to both of the terms which is inside the bracket and multiply minus 8 to both of these terms. Collect the like terms one side and then solve this example. Question number 15 is similar to this question number 16. So I will solve question number 16 and try to solve question number 15. Let us solve this. Question 16 is 2x minus 1 whole divided by 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 whole divided by 3 minus 2 minus x whole divided by 5. Question number 16 is 2x minus 1 divided by 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 whole divided by 4 minus 2 minus x whole divided by 5. Solution. First I will write the question. Okay. To solve this, observe here the RHS are in terms of fractions. So first I will take the LCM in the RHS. Keeping the LHS as it is, LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Multiply 5 to the first term and 4 to the second term. 5 ಅನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 5 ಇಂಟು 3x ಮೈನಸ್ 2. 4 ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 4 ಇಂಟು 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 6. ಈಗ ಎರಡೂ ಸೈಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. I will cross multiply later. First I will multiply or solve the numerator of this RHS. Multiply 5 to both of the terms. 5 ಅನ್ನು ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 5 ಇಂಟು 3 is 15x. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Next, minus 4 into 2. I am multiplying minus 4 with these two numbers. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. Minus 4 into minus x is plus 4x whole divided by 20. 2x minus 1 by 3 is greater than or equal to 15x plus 4x like terms. 15x and 4x are like terms. Their sum is 19x. 10 and 8 are like terms. Minus 10 minus 8 is minus 18. Now cross multiply. 20 is multiplied to the LHS. 3 is multiplied to the RHS. Twenty into 2 is 40x. 20 into minus 1 is minus 20. 3 into 19 is 57x. 3 into 18 is 54. 57 is greater than 40. So you take 40x to the right hand side. 40x ಅನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 57ಅನ್ನೇ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಗೂ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. If I take 57x to the left hand side, then we get 40x minus 57x. Taking minus 20 to the right hand side, we get plus 20 minus 54. 57 is greater than 40. 40 minus 57 is minus 17x. Greater than or equal to 20 minus 54 is minus 34. Now observe here, we have minus sign both sides. If you have to cancel minus sign both sides, you have to change the inequality sign. Or If you take minus 17 to the right hand side, change the inequality. minus 17 ಇನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು minus 34 ಇತ್ತು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. minus 34 minus 17 ಇನ್ನ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂತು. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ minus 17 ಇಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಗಬೇಕು. Then this step is, I will write here x less than or equal to minus 34 by minus 17. X less than or equal to minus 34 by minus 17. Greater than or equal to ididdu less than or equal to aitu. Minus minus cancel. We are cancelling this minus on the same side. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. 17 1s are 17 2s are, then x is less than or equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set is all the real numbers less than or equal to 2. Then 2 is itself a greatest value. Greatest is written in the second place of the interval. All other values less than 2 starts from minus infinity. 2 ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ರಿಯಲ್ಲು ಬಂತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿಯಿಂದ. 2 ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್, ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್. Now try to solve question number 15 and question number 14. Now the next example. Solve the inequalities in exercise 17 to 20. Question number 17 to 20, and show the graph of the solution in each case on the number line. We have to solve this example, and for each of these questions we have to draw the graph of solution on number line. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 mark ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗೂ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 1 marks ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17. 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. I will write here. Question number 17. 3x minus 2 is less than 2x plus 1. First we will solve this inequality, and then at the end we draw the number line. This is an easy. We know how to solve this. We collect the like terms one side. I will take 2x to the left hand side and minus 2 to the right hand side. 2x left hand side ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ minus 2x ಆಯಿತು. minus 2 right hand side ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ plus 2 ಆಯಿತು. 3x minus 2x ಅಂದರೆ x, 1 plus 2 ಅಂದರೆ 3, x less than 3. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Again here in the question they have not mentioned whether x is a real integer or a natural. ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. Set of all real numbers which are less than 3. Less than 3 means here 3 itself is the greatest. 3ನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಉಳುಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರು 3ಗಿಂತ ಸಣ್ಣದಿರುತ್ತೆ. 3ನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಈಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿಯಿಂದ 3 ತನಕ. 3 ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೆಟ್. ನವ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. of solutions is as follows athwa is shown below or is given by, you can write anything, is as follows. You have to draw the number line by pencil using scale. No need to draw this number line on the graph sheet. ಇದನ್ನು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಶೋ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸೋದೇ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ದಂಗೆ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇದೇ ಯೂನಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಈ ಯೂನಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now this number line starts from minus infinity to plus infinity. X is less than 3. Less than 3 means I'll start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and I'll write here minus 1. The number less than 3 lies to the left side of this 3, starting from minus infinity. Minus infinity in the 3. From minus infinity, I will darken the line up to 3. Up to 3. 3 is not included. Just draw a circle above 3 and don't darken the circle. Don't shade that circle. Darken the line from the circle up to minus infinity. This solution here, darkened line shows the solutions of this inequality. Then there should be difference in this line with this. ಈ ಲೈನ್ಗಿಂತ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the graphical representation of solutions. Now the next question is 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. This question is similar to the 17th question. Take this as a homework and try to solve this question. I will solve 19th one. 3 into 1 minus x is less than 2 into x plus 4. 19th question. 3 into 1 minus x is less than 2 into x plus 4. I will write the question first. Multiply 3 to both of these terms. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into minus x is minus 3x. 2 into x is 2x. 2 into 4 is 8. I will take minus 3x to the right hand side and 8 to the left hand side. 3 minus 8 is less than 2x plus 3x. 3 minus 8 is minus 7. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Sorry, 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Minus 5. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Minus 5 less than plus 5x is nothing but 5x is greater than minus 5. 5x is greater than minus 5. Take this 5 to the RHS. 5 positive ಇದೆ, inequality sign change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Minus 5 upon plus 5 is minus 1. Then the solution set is all the real numbers greater than minus 1. Greater than minus 1 ಅಂತಂದರೆ minus 1 least value ಆಯಿತು. Numbers greater than minus 1 continues up to infinity. Equality ಇಲ್ಲ, minus 1 is not included. Open interval. Next, the graphical representation. graphical representation of solutions is, draw the graph of number line minus infinity to plus infinity greater than minus 1. I'll start from 0, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Greater than minus 1, the numbers which are greater than minus 1 lies to the right side. So from 1 or from minus 1 to infinity. From minus 1, I will darken the line up to plus infinity. And minus 1 is not included. Don't darken the circle at minus 1. This is the representation of solution of the given inequality on the number line. The next question is question number 20. X by 2 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 whole divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 whole divided by 5. Question number 20. X by 2 is greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 whole divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 whole divided by 5. To solve this example, first I will take the LCM in the RHS. LCM is 15. Multiply 5 to the first term and 3 to the second term. 5 into 5x minus 2, 3 into 7x minus 3. Next, multiply 5 to both of these terms. 5 into 5 is 25x. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 3 into 7 is minus 21x. Minus 3 into minus 3 is plus 9. Whole divided by 15. X by 2 is greater than or equal to, like terms, 25x minus 21x is 4x, minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Now cross multiply. 15 into x is greater than or equal to 2 into 4x minus 1. Both are positive. Inequality sign will not be affected. 15x as it is, 2 into 4 is 8x, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Again we have 2x terms, collect like terms. 8x is taken to the left hand side. It will become minus 8x and minus 2 in the RHS. 15x minus 8x is 7x greater than or equal to minus 2. I will continue here. 7x is greater than or equal to minus 2 is there. Take 7 to the right hand side. It will come to the denominator. 7 is a positive, inequality sign remains same. X is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. No need to solve this further. Keep this as it is. The solution set is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7 means the least value itself is minus 2 by 7. All other values are greater than minus 2 by 7. Values greater than minus 2 by 7 continues up to infinity. Minus 2 by 7 is included, square bracket towards minus 2 by 7 and open towards infinity. This is the solution set. Now the graphical representation. of solutions is, draw the number line. On the number line, to locate this point -2 by 7, you can calculate this. 2 by 7 will be equal to 0.28 minus 0.28. Minus 0.28 lies in between 0 and -1. You may get somewhere here. I will locate this point as -2 by 7. -2, 1. From -2 by 7 up to infinity, draw a circle above -2 by 7 and darken the line from -2 by 7 up to infinity. Equality is there, -2 by 7 is also included. This is the number line for the given inequality. In my next video, I will solve the remaining examples of this exercise.